How to swap Solana to Ethereum on Phantom Wallet. Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how you can swap Solana to Ethereum on Phantom Wallet. So in order to do this, you first need to launch your Phantom Wallet mobile application, and then you just have to log in into your account if you haven't already. And once you're successfully logged in, on the home page, you will be able to see this swap option. So you can tap on the swap option over here, and then you will be landed on this swap page. Now over here, you will notice that Solana is selected by default, and even if you tap on this drop arrow button, and even if you try to search for Ethereum, unfortunately, you will not be able to find Ethereum in this section. In the second section, if you tap on this drop arrow button, you will be able to see Ethereum. But if you select Ethereum, you will see the tokens that are based on Ethereum network. It simply means that you cannot actually swap your Solana to Ethereum on Phantom Wallet directly. In order to serve this purpose, you need to have any other exchanges like the KuCoin, MEXC, OKX, or Binance exchange. On these exchanges, you will be able to find the convert option. So you just have to send your Solana to any other exchanges that has the convert option, and in that application you will be able to convert your Solana into Ethereum. But if you want to use it on Phantom Wallet, then unfortunately you will not be able to do it directly. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.